Hey you guys, welcome back to Hayes World. If you're new to the channel, I want you to like, subscribe, and comment what other videos should I do for the summer. I've been busy with school to sports, just a lot in life in general. But I'm back for today, and today we're going to be doing a haul of what all I bought on this beautiful glory day. So let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing I got, or the first store we went to, because we only went to like 3. I spent a lot in Target. Here's the receipt. Okay, but I got this cute, like, jean. Where is it? Like, okay, it's on buckle right now, but I got this cute, like, jean short romper, which I love. Like, this is one of my summer faves to repeat. So, perfect. I have to have a dress for church, because I need more, like, church outfits anyway. So I'm an outfit repeater all summer. And y'all, like when I tell y'all I found this dress, immediately fell in love with it. Like, it's just, look at the color of it and like the material. Gorgeous. Literally freaking gorgeous. Okay, and okay, this is all for the clothes. So remember I had already got like 20% off. So with that, cause y'all spent $130 at Target. 130. What? Like what?
Bruh.
Okay, so but I remember it because that was the one. That's the first thing I picked up. So it was $30. And then the bathing suits, like y'all want to go to Target? The bathing suits are $12 for each piece, which is a good deal. A couple of things I got for Target. Hold on, I'll be back in 1 second. And here are skincare items that I just need to restock on. Freaking Vaseline. I haven't had Vaseline. I've been using these little ones from like the Dollar Tree, and they work good. They're good for travel size, but baby, I need something else. So yes, I got my Vaseline back. The big freaking bottle of Vaseline. Perfect, especially like this. Perfect. So happy to have that back. Then I got, drum roll, body wash. A whole big thing of these Method body. Love this. Hashtag have some. Definitely recommend it. It's just good and it'll last you a long time. So definitely remember you buy the Method body wash with, I think, yeah, I got the, and it has coconut rice milk and shea butter. Hashtag you guys need that, okay? And next thing I bought, oh my gosh, hold on. Things I got. Elf, when I tell you, please sponsor me. Like, y'all don't actually know how freaking much I love you guys' brand. Like, I will go broke before I stop buying Elf products. They're affordable, good quality, and they just eat down. Like, I love you guys so much. Like, please sponsor your girl. Foundation. Soft Glam foundation. Perfect. Me some more lip gloss. I run out of these. I'm telling y'all, in a week I need another. Like, I love this so much, so freaking much. You know, let me, baby, if you haven't had no Elf products, what are you doing with your life? What are you doing? Cause like this, and I always get peach. Yeah, is it? No, where is it? Or apricot, peach or apricot. And just goes on like this. Perfect for carry on. Just like. And it's like little, it looks like a little minty for your lips. So it's like, your lips look good too. So, liquid blush in the shade High Pigment. Or no, that's not. It actually does that. Yeah, it says liquid blush. Yeah. Because I already have like their bronzers from the Halo Glow like edition in their blush, but I want something that shows, like, gives me that highlight and like, hold on, it's hard to open. You just go in, just go like this, tap. It's gonna look freaking pigment tinted in. Oh my gosh. Well, I know not to apply that much to my face. Holy freaking wow. Holy freaking wow. Elf, you did your big one. You did your big one. This Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil because I ran out my last one. Then my auntie put me on too, so shout out to Auntie Kayla. And I love it because they're on it. You see on this end, it's like a pointed, like a very good, like detailed end for you to go in and like sharpen up your eyebrows or like fill them in. Ebony. And then on the other end, it's like a brush for you to comb up your eyebrows. Like, it just eats down so much. My last couple of items that I got were, obviously, let me put y'all on. If y'all want to smell good and want to get compliments, buy the EOS lotion. Buy the EOS lotion. I got the cashmere one because that's what I always get. And when I tell y'all, it's just, it just smells so good. It smells so freaking good. So if you haven't already, buy it. I'm telling you, like your girl's trying to put you on, buy the lotion. And the last thing that we're buying is, not buying, but showing you guys is my favorite. Like as soon as I put my moisturizer on, this is exactly what I spray. The Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray. A lot of people have, okay, I'm sorry, this is my pink finger from the blush, but a lot of people have controversial things to say about it, but for me, it has worked wonders for my skin. When my skin is dehydrated, spray one spray, I'm good to go. Like, I love this, like, love it. Literally freaking love it. Like, it's just so good. And it's affordable too. Like, I used a coupon, so it went from 8 to I think 5, and this is the full size. So you're getting your money's worth. Like, baby, this thing lasts me 3 months. 3 months. Imagine buying this in March. No, February. And having to buy one in May. That's how long it lasts. Like, left like this little amount left in the container. Spritz. It's still coming out. Yeah. Yeah. Hashtag y'all need that. Period. So yes, that's really it for the haul. I'm finna stock all these in my mini fridge. And I really do hope you guys enjoyed. And if you started cutting the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what the next video should be now that I'm back to filming. And I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy. Mwah. Bye.